Well, there are many things that make magnet fields so powerful. One of the features or capabilities that I find most helpful is the ability to customize it, to make it mine, to get rid of things that I'll never use, or to organize things in a way that makes sense to me. While the general flow of magnet field is pretty straightforward and pretty logical, sometimes there are repetitive tasks that I'll do that having this set up in a more streamlined fashion may be helpful. So I'm going to look at two things we can do inside of Magnet Field. One is to go to the Magic M button and do Configure. Here I can rename commands or simply turn things on and off. For example, if I don't want to make a mistake and delete a job, I'm never going to go in and look at photos. I don't want to do any kind of copy. I can turn these options off so that when I go to the command, these are the only things that are there. Now I can beautifully go back to configure menu and reset these to default. So if I change the name of something, it would restore the default. This is helpful if I customize my menu and then I reach out to my dealer for technical support. They're not familiar with my menu, so they're trying to walk me through a sequence to solve a problem, but I've customized my menu and I need to be back to exactly what theirs is so I can reset that. Okay. I also have the option in here to save this and then load these configurations. So I can create a configuration. Let's say I have a 10-person crew. I can save this configuration and then put it on all of the other data collectors. Maybe send it up to Magnet Enterprise, put it in the shared company folder so that everybody can just log into Enterprise on their data collector and download it. So I can save these, I can load these, and I can restore them to their default settings. Taking the customization a step further, I like to start in the map view. So I open a job, the first thing that I do is go into the map view just to see what this job looks like. This is kind of my way of gathering my bearings. Maybe I'm out here for multiple days. This is where I like to come to start so I can see, am I in the right file and what has been done? From here, I want to begin working. So maybe I'm a surveyor and I want to go right into setting up my instrument and then doing my topo shots. What I'm going to do is come to the settings, the configuration here, and I'm going to customize the toolbar in the map screen. So what I want to do here is I want to go right in and I'm going to add backside. I'm going to move that up. And maybe we'll add the topo while we're here. Maybe my backside's already set. So we'll add that one and say, okay, okay. Now those options have been added to my toolbar. So I could go right into backside configuration or right into topo. Now I've not set the backside, so it's not going to allow that. But that's a way I could further customize Magnet Field to fit my workflow. For other content like this, please go to My TopCon now and search through the documentation that is available to Magnet Field users today.